Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Interstate 40 as it comes off the Mississippi River and heads west into Arkansas from Memphis, Tennessee. This section of the highway begins at the Hernando de Soto Bridge, which opened in 1973 and carries traffic directly into West Memphis. Interstate 40 is one of the main east-west corridors in the United States, stretching from Wilmington, North Carolina to Barstow, California. As you travel west here, the road immediately connects with major freight routes that serve rail yards, trucking centers, and warehouses throughout the region. The terrain you see is flat Mississippi Delta land, which has required ongoing work to manage flooding and drainage near the roadway. A series of interchanges in West Memphis connects drivers to routes leading toward Little Rock and the rest of Arkansas. You may notice wide shoulders and multiple lanes designed to handle heavy long-distance traffic. This stretch of Interstate 40 plays an important role in national travel and transport. Thank you for joining us on this drive through West Memphis, Arkansas.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.